You serious? Mildred, you buy a vehicle for me?
Sheppy, I may buy it for you. My mechanic did I sell it and me just know so you don't love it. So I buy it for you so you can move around and you can carry your things them in night. All you have to do just drop me at school at morning time.
Hey! Half in me car. Half in me car. Me say, boastier than me, them now go say, Mildred, if me didn't remember for break dance, you see, how would I break dance? How would I break dance? Hey! 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 Me say, I want them come call me hubby man now. Eh? Me say them fi call me it. So when I back them up on the road, you see, and I ready to run them down with it, make them call me that. I'm a spiritual advisor. Hey!
Just make sure you take time on the road, you know.
Mildred, calm your nerves. Take time is me you're talking to.
By the way, you sure you remember how to drive?
Already. No, you know the same things you're disrespectful, Mildred. Eh? Driving is like riding a bicycle. You'll never forget. Where the key there?
Sit here.
So, Mildred, I guess you did keep the key all along? You sure the vehicle can't start after that?
Sheppy, go and go drive your new vehicle. You're too frightened.
Hold this, Mildred. Don't worry yourself. I go drive today. Hold that. Hey, boy, never drive. Mildred, never drive.
Why? You not even know if you open a vehicle. And let me do the right thing, man.
Mildred, how it open again?
Please the button, Shepherd.
You have to go talk louder, me not hear you.
Please the button, Shepherd.
Which button?
Panic key, Shepherd, panic key.
Whoa. You know, I remember me just remember. Hey, you hear that sound there, Mildred? Beep beep, ready to go. Mildred, how the steering? Oh, seat there. Is that alright? Hey, I have it right, you know. God, that Christ, man. In your hot bud. How you? Oh, me right. Right. Remember now. Yeah. Mildred, it start. Alright. Hey. How you do this now? Rotted. Are the wrong gear it, you know? Then are nothing run. No. Put it down on one. Alright.
Lord Jesus, Sheppy, be careful.
Mildred, me alright, me no lick it. See the man van out there, so me no lick it.
Lord Jesus, God, what me go do to Sheppy now?
No, sir. I have it under control. I have it under control. Yes. It's coming back now. It is coming back. Alright. Don't turn on the road, yeah? No, sir. Forgot to stop the van. This thing with Bubbles and her friend them. It is getting from bad to. Oh no. Our team and she. Them too late. She gone.